Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and you are watching Technology Warriors. So let's get started with today's video. Today you will be learning about what is header files and there's one more one question like how can I create my own header file? Like is it possible to create our own header files? So yes, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what is header files? So it's basically a function, like you can say we are just importing, it's predefined, already existing there in the software, and we are just including it in our main program. So this is basically a combination of functions and all. Yeah, and you we are importing it using the preprocessor directive called hash include. It's a statement which we use to include in our main C++ or C program. So let's see with the practical example, like how can I create my own header file? So let's create a new file over here, and I'm including conio.h. Oh, sorry, iostream.h. So what it will do is it will include all the functions which is there available in iostream.h. It's a header file. So I'm writing the main program void main, and I'm initializing to three variables. And let's take a very simple example of adding two numbers. We are adding A, B, and storing it there in C. Let's take the input A and B, and we are just adding the two numbers. C is equal to A plus B, and just print the addition of two numbers. Sum is equal to C. And for holding the screen, I'm writing this function. And when I will run this program, it will definitely throw me an error. Why? Because let's run this program. Okay, yeah, I have written this wrong. Yeah, it will throw me this error because I haven't included that, you can say that header file in which the getch function is defined. So now how can I fix this? I just need to include the header file where the getch function is defined. So it is defined in conio.h. Now I will run this program and it won't throw me an error. Let's add 1 plus 2 and definitely you will get 3, right? Next, how can I create my own header file? Now we will learn about how can I create my own header file. Assuming that you all know how to create a function and how function works, um, let's give me a clear idea about how you can create your own header file. So here I am writing a function which will return integer type value. The function is sum, and it will take two integer value as an input, A and integer B. It's obviously, uh, yeah, I don't need to initialize it over here, and I'm just return A plus B. Right. So now what I need to do is I will just save it as, let's say, whatever the name you want to give in the like where you are including the library. Let's say we are including hash include iostream.h. So the same name you need to give it over here. I'm writing I'm saving it with the name technology. Let's say tech.h. So yeah, so this is a .h file. I need to change the location where it is. So let's jump on to the location where I will find my program written. I will just go to the bin file and I'll search for the tech.h which I just created. Mm, Where it is? Yeah, here it is. So I need to just paste it there, in which, like, where all the header file is located. So all the header files is located there in the include section. So I will paste it over here and you can see it over here. So you can see all the header file which you used to import in your main C++ or C program. See math.h. So I this just created for this sample and just for the demo purpose. So this is our tech.h. Now let's jump on to the main function, like main program. Sorry. Yeah. Now we will include, the tech.h file, header file, tech.h header file in our main program, and I will also include the io stream dot h, and I will also include st sorry conio, yeah, conio dot h for holding the screen. Right now I will write my main program. So now what I need to do is I will just call this function which I just created before, and I'm just initializing two variables a and b, taking the input cn a and b, and I will call this function here. Let's say I'm storing it in some variable. Sum is equal to, I'm writing here sum, and as you know, like the parameters, this should be integer because we have like here we have initialized, like during the function definition, it's integer and integer, so we need to make sure that these two are integer data type. Let's just close this program, and now I will run this call of non-function. Why this is there's some, okay, yeah, here I cannot take the same as the function name, so let's take it as s, and we will also print the result. Okay, this is the previous what we have done. Let's take 4 and 12 and you will get 16. So this is how you can create your own header files. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel if you find this helpful. And in the description I'm giving the link of the Telegram channel which you can join. I will be sharing all the updates. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and see you all in the next video.